Hello friends, let's unbox this PCV hand drill bit. This is the drill bit. It has 4 drill bits. Drill bit sizes are 0.5, 1, 1.5 and 2 mm. Drill size is 9 into 1.5 into 1 centimeter. Let's unbox this. It is a drill bit having a long hand drill bit. Let me show you. It is made up of brass with black plastic body. It says end part. This one is the nozzle head. This one is the drilling point where we have to drill. It has very comfortable grips. It has 2 inlet holes with small and big holes. You can see. This one is the small and this one is the bigger hole. This works like this. It is very easy to handle. It works in the same twisted pattern. You can see the working of the same one. Now take out the drilling bits. Yeah, see. What are the things given along with the same drill bit? You can see these 4 drills. 1, 2, 3 and this 4. This is the second nozzle. This one is the twisting head. Okay. Firstly, we have to choose the drill bit. See, if we are choosing this one, rotate the hand drill in the same way. After that, insert the twisted drill in the same nozzle head. Sorry, in this same we have to insert. Insert very carefully because it is again you have to pull it out and after that insert the twisted drill in the same nozzle. After that insert it in the same hole. Okay, and then again put the head in the same bit. Okay, turn the hand drill to tighten the bit. Keep the hands 90° while drilling. Move up and down to make a drill to get a hole. Got it? Okay, now I am performing the experiment so that we get a hole on the same cardboard. Firstly, put this. now we have to perform the drilling operation. See, if you want to drill here, you have to twist it in the same pattern. I hope this sounds very good. Okay, again we have to use the another drill. Use the thicker diameter. We have the 4 drills whose diameters are different, as you can see on the cardboard. Yes, this, and this is the second nozzle which is given along with the same. Okay, just insert this larger diameter you can use. Yes, insert in the same nozzle and again put this on the same place. After that, close this with the larger nozzle head. Okay. In the same way you can do it. I think this will perform also in the same way. Twist and drill. I think it looks so easy to handle and it works very smoothly. Yeah. Its quality is also very good. It is very easy to handle. It has the best quality, I think. Drilling accuracy is very good. It precisely drills the material where we have to drill. Its drilling functionality is also good. It drills in a twisted way, you can see. It's a value for money product. You can buy it from any platform. It is available on all the 3 platforms, Flipkart, Amazon and Meesho. I can give the good rating for the same product. You can purchase it from the mentioned platform. I hope this looks good and you want to purchase it. Thank you for the same. Bye bye.